not even sure if this will mix right because I'm doing this tutorial on the fly, but let me start this other record so you can hear what a beat match sounds like. That'll work. Hopefully you can still hear me. Okay. So I'm gonna leave this record up so you can hear me beat match it. So okay, so the left side is playing the beat that you're hearing, the current music, and then this right channel is this vinyl. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if that's gonna work. Let me see if I can match it without and talk at the same time, which is very hard to do if you're playing vinyl. Let me see if I can do this and not train wreck it. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you go. That's my first tutorial. Hope I didn't hurt your ears too much. If you are interested in knowing what this song is, that's Daphne on this record label. And the other record I was playing, oops, sorry. Hello, this is my first time doing this. The other record I was playing is Jamie Anderson, Rebel Sound. Yeah. So I hope that helped a little bit. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I could let you know. One of the things that you might want to consider doing about cueing, and obviously I made that look really easy, but it took me years to really get that right, and the cue isn't the same for every single record. It's different. What the point I'm trying to make is that it's different for every record. So you have to treat each of these like a little lever. And sometimes if you get a used record, or even depending upon the tables that you're playing on, maybe they don't have the right weight on this, you know, it's a needle that's being gouged. You have to think about the medium and how it's used and how it can be damaged, because vinyl is very fragile and it's very delicate. So sometimes if you get a used record, majority of the time, that's when I've experienced it. I'll get a used record and there'll be something called a Q scar. So maybe someone was really heavy-handed and kept going back and forth over it. Maybe they were scratching and was moving all around and it gouged. The needle can damage your record. So sometimes records get a Q scar, and if they have a really bad Q scar, you can be sitting there and thinking, okay, cool, I got the beat, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can release it, and there'll be a scar and it'll make the needle jump, and it'll jump to like, you know, a few beats ahead of that, or even way far in front of that, or even in front of it and start it over. So that's called a Q scar. And you can still mix records that have a Q scar. Majority of the time, the way I do it is, if this had a Q scar, what I would do is, instead of doing so much of the, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then releasing it, what I would do is rewind it and get it right on 1 and just hold it, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then let it go, so it doesn't jump over that gouge that's in the vinyl, making it jump. So I think that's all I have to say about the queuing a record. And if you want more information or would like to know more about vinyl DJing or records, or the community that surrounds it, follow me more. Thank you. Bye.